Sagar Defence Engineering achieved a milestone by successfully testing its indigenous quadcopter drone on INS Vikrant. The trials assessed the drone's maritime surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, showcasing its cost-effectiveness and versatility. The successful operation marks a significant advance in Indian naval modernization, contributing to the country's self-reliance in military technology and enhancing its maritime defense posture. Johnnette Technologies, an Indian UAV manufacturer, clinches a deal to supply its crash-resistant drone, Johnnette JF2, to the Indian Army for border surveillance. Considered India's first crash-resistant UAV, the JF2 exemplifies the Make in India initiative for self-reliance in defense. The UAV boasts crash-proof avionics, anti-jamming, anti-spoofing features, and day-night cameras, showcasing a notable leap in indigenous unmanned systems technology. Bengaluru-based NewSpace Research and Technologies Private Limited celebrated a major achievement as its solar-powered high-altitude pseudo-satellite completed a record-breaking flight of over 21 hours. Under the Innovation for Defense Excellence (IDEX) initiative, the prototype surpassed expectations during a winter solstice trial, showcasing its solar-powered capabilities. This success supports India's goal of developing long-endurance drones for stratospheric operations, with the HAPS aiming for flights exceeding 48 hours. Rolls-Royce is actively participating in the India-UK Electric Propulsion Capability Partnership, suggesting its MT-30 power pack may be used in India's second aircraft carrier, IAC-2. The move could impact US-India maritime cooperation, potentially sidelining US platforms and systems considered for IAC-2. Rolls-Royce aims to offer electric or hybrid electric solutions for India's future fleet. The Indian Navy's P-8I aircraft communicates with the merchant vessel MV Chem Pluto, which caught fire in the Arabian Sea after a suspected drone attack. The Navy and Coast Guard vessels are en route to the distressed ship carrying crude oil. All 20 crew members are safe, and the ICGS Vikram alerts nearby ships for assistance.